woman no give am belle. You go know. So I beg, now this issue, the way they come out for social media, the way the thing they come out, this one can't do in wife like this one can't do like this one can't do like that. Man, no, they get belle. Now woman. So now women, now they call for the matter. Hello, na me, on a sister, on a friend, on a girl, Bibi, Breeder Concept. I welcome on for our channel. Say hope all of na day fine, the bubble, the shuffle, on the wear on a face mask, the use on a hand sanitizer. So, hey, well, you get story why I hear. This thing, you don't dey grand since so. But I want first, I don't dey hear, some people they do the program about this DNA issue for pikin. Now I say my come out, my talk am. Person go get pikin, train up, finish for many years. When they tell us say television not clear, say not be you. So this matter, one boy where he dey abroad, whether in America, be Canada, now you can say you want inviting family. Now you want inviting mama and papa and siblings. Say make them come do holiday. Now the guy now come, they can say they will need to do DNA check whether na in real family. And the guy can say okay, make them do the DNA. Now they can do. Now they can see say when the result come. The old man we don't born pikin we die abroad, we don't they even they want invite them for holiday. Say no being get the pikin. The 4 children where the woman born for her, no one will be the man own. 1, 2, 3, 4. No one will be the man own. For which age? Old age. Some women get mind though. The thing still they disturb me. As I told the story now, I still they imagine how the man they cope. First, second, third, fourth, no be your husband or you not tell her. Okay, may we say the man now not the fit give belle. You can't say when you help her. You know go tell her say, guy, you know the fit give belle. Maybe say na 12 na planner. As you don't become good Samaritan now, 12 na go planner. Come be say you can't keep that kind of thing. If the situation now say na rape, you get the time they can't rape you first one, second one, third one. You go. The talk, if I don't know why I do this video, but I don't know where I want to start. Say man for no offense on kind people. But the thing still there. If you wanna get any opinion, reason, we go make person do this thing up to old age, you not tell the man. Say this pikin, these children not be on. Wanna drop her. Maybe get reason one I feel get to when me nothing go that side. We go justify the action of the woman. But for my own now, as I did now they tell her now, I don't see any reason we go make the woman do. We go make her talk say, I no go tell this man. Say first not be on, second not be on, third not be on, fourth not be on. Even one safe. They rape you. See what thing happen. Oh. Then it happen like this. Or okay, no we say they say maybe they change them for hospital. This kind doctors for Africa sometimes hospital would just misdo. Maybe they can't change them for now they can't change first one, change second one, change third one, change fourth one. So So this one come carry us come say, if you not the day around, may any woman not take her say, this woman won't bring some kind of issue. My dear, men are the advice. If the thing is not clear for your eye, the pikin, do DNA test. They sure who you dey train. Even if you find out say not be your own, say that pikin not get anywhere to go. Try train that pikin. Now that one, before I will enter detail for inside this stuff. Now that one, you see that child must not suffer for waiting the mama do. Maybe you can't strand the pikin. No, for that one. If now that type you go do, not go find out. Just leave the pikin, may they live in peace, because the pikin not just cause anything. The pikin they innocent. So no punish and join the mama. So, but you need to do DNA test. If you be man, maybe say you dey travel always. You not the day around. And you now can still get that when you calculate how the pregnancy waka. Suffer, not just make worry. DNA test. You dey sure because of future high blood pressure. Like the video I make about eating they cause high blood pressure. This kind of thing there among. You hear and now, hey, Obi Amapo. You don't finish you. Shock. So I need to do this DNA thing. They're very important. The ones where they marry for Africa, you die abroad, you marry for Africa. DNA is important. Your wife die abroad, you dey Africa, the man. DNA is important. I not say then they misbehave. I not say anybody they misbehave. But because of the things we don't see for social media, go check them. Go type safe, say paternity show where they do. You go see them. Pikin go resemble you. Where he even get all the tubu he get for face or for body. They can't do DNA. Go almost 5 hospitals. You will say no, you get them. So first day sure. I don't still hear one maybe say he want come abroad. Sometimes most time abroad now they bring issue. Either abroad, because okay now he don't make a may bring in children and then wife come. They can't say DNA. They must ask on her because one day sure whether you want carry another person picking or another person you can't they claim say now your blood relation. So they can't make them do test. Now the man say now one be on, two not be on. Before the woman call it up. You get one video where I don't see what the man can use and collect it for the woman mouth. So these things, the man to avoid story that touch later in future, go for test, paternity test, DNA, go find out. Then na your own. On a summer that time where the thing hot, where the pikin dey young, where everybody still dey young, you can still do something to get your own. You know, be like say you can't swear you're like, oh, this person render me useless, where I don't suffer, I don't do like this. I know say not be say pikin must be your own from you before it go be your pikin. You can take any child and train. But that one, now you decide. You understand? Because if you don't get pikin, if you take person, if you get pikin, say you get enough. You must not born the one with born children food because you get enough. Make your children chopper. The ones where they don't still born, keep where people born will not get. You still train them. But now you take the decision to do them. Not be say person play you. You can't train out your mind. They not come for chess. This is my son. This is my daughter. Later they come tell you saying nah, this speaking not be on, or we are sorry for, they will come show you something where they do, they bend say na so DNA can be, not be DNA can. And also as I do this video, some people go vex, some go still take, not be something you go to take serious, maybe say you say, hey, whether my own or hey, whether na so, not taken like that. Your own might not be like that, but it's still good, may you try it. And if you still do the test, can't see say not be your own, sit down, think, not just take action. Wow, now that man take break, collect almost 4 or 5 teeth for the woman mouth. Just try calm down, then reason that pikin with them say na your own. Just use the love of that child to first calm down. Say, this pikin, I say na my own. Na still my own. But I will try. If you be person we say you dey potent, you feel born, you still, if na that same woman, I do the real one. If not be that same woman, you do with who get your own. But not think of say you can't blow and you can't do like you can't keep person join. Now you know get picking. Now you can't still keep person. You know see say your own don't dabaru, don't scatter, don't spoil. So use your brain. The day where you want to go take the result. If na person they very good, because the story must still come out. No how you go see bend and say maybe you know me person no. Later in future, the story must still come out. Say not be you born. You know the lack of affinity the last day. Is that when you die, self the story will come out. So the story must come out. The two way they, if you know say your mind no to find person where you can go follow the day we want go take the results. If they say not be you, at least you go see who will fit calm you down. If they say not you, I still rejoice. Or not just go collect the, just say you know you want the secret to die here. Hey. You can't take anything enough, you control yourself, you go do what you're not supposed to do. Or you think say that secret good. You know the picking issue. Who get that picking most? Find out come one day. Okay, maybe we say they're not telling. For inside the 4 children like that story now, one don't know. Inside the 4 now, they don't know, say na get picking. If now one man they give the belly, the one man don't know say don't he give, at least he give na get one for inside the picking. Or if now 4 men now, at least one go no. Say he give a belly. So now the story must come out. Is that when you don't, when you don't delete that time now, they will come, they talk the story, say, oh, he don't go now, not being get this speaking. Ooh. You now they hide and you not come walk towards getting your own. So for women, maybe say this kind of thing happen. Maybe mistakenly the man not there, you can't go do what you do, you can't get belly, come born, come put on for the man head, and you know say not be the man. Talk am. You see, but how they go push me for the house? This. Talk am. The earlier the better. Before they go strand you later for future. The pikin self go verse with you. The papa go verse with you. Who you want stand with? And situation where see they make some they do. Some women. The man now married and keep for Africa. 5 years, 10 years, the man no go come. This woman where you marry, keep for house. Not be firewood. You understand? And the one way be say the man they come always, you go say what of me where they come always. The man they come always, but the woman never take him, he don't travel. They go there inside the marriage 3 years, they never get. Because the man not they stay long. You know they know when person they get better. If it be that first day way on a do, if it be say na 3 months later way on a, all those things. Not waiting that they calculate you. You say, okay, man, just go 2 months, go spend, give my wife belly. It might be say that time, but you not just enough fit taking that time. You don't still go. You say, I stay 2 months, my woman not taking. Might still plan again, another 2 months, you come again. You know they work like that. The woman not taking her for 2 years. The woman will come if you say, hey, me they not come go pursue me come out for this man house. So say, I know they get belly. You come go do say me get belly, me taste the house. Me they not pursue me, they not call and say nah, like this. She be like that. She be bad. They make some they could do. I mean that's when they talk distant marriage. Take careful before you enter. I know see some women be say, they just spoil. Those ones won't just they and their own. But the ones where we say some situation put them into that thing. Just say me, yes, the body just do and they can't seduce now, or you can't say the gas in waka just because say the man how many years the man not come. Can't go do it in the nothing now. Enter now. Before you know, maybe the man come die around. The man don't come back now. And they get belly. You come fast, calculate and join the man staying. See now the man. Woman no give him belly. You go no. So I beg. Now this issue. The way they come out for social media, the way the thing they come out, this one can't do in wife like this one can't do like this one can't do like that. Man, no, they get belly. Now woman. So now women, now they call for the matter. I make me still come outside say, I beg. If you be woman, you know say pikin wey dey with you, we don a house where they call your husband home. Not be your own. Find the way you go do that issue. Let's know. The earlier the better. The earlier the better. Don't let the man find out by himself. It's not easy to say. But you need to. You need to do. And so, men, more than self still try. The man when you say he gets you that the thing in your mind now, just that you just get that feeling. You don't not use quarrel do am because you feel go na your own. So not just use quarrel do am. Maybe just go do this thing, or you can't go hospital for treatment. You just tell them maybe they do this thing. They just do am. You know, now you're picking. Yes. And then when they say pick, you know, say na your own. Not be later shock. You just come and surprise package. You just learn for your ear say, not be you. So now the thing where I get to talk. If you get this video to offend you, I beg may you leave this part, watch another video. If you get what I talk with, you know, like me, you leave the talk, take me, your sister, your friend, your girl. God bless you. Share this video, like, comment. See my next video. God bless you.